Hello everyone, this is Long. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the hash table. This is an important data structure. You can think of it as a series of buckets, where each bucket is a key and the items inside the bucket are the values. They correspond one to one. So do not dictionaries in Python store many values. This brings us to the topic of hash collections. In C, when we encounter a hash collection, we typically use methods such as chaining or open addressing. Chaining, this involves storing a linked list of values at each bucket. If multiple values hash to the same bucket, they are added to the list at that bucket. And open addressing, in this simple case, we use a linear probing. If value 1.1 corresponds to the bucket 1, and the same to the 1.2, but bucket 2 is empty, so we place value 1.2 in bucket 2, and so on. Of course, these methods are not perfect. In next section, we will focus on hash algorithms and how they help in reducing collisions and improving performance. Thanks for your watching. You can see all tutorials I contributed on the helloalgo.com.